Hello students, welcome back again on behalf of Shiksha Mandal's GS College of Commerce, and I am your subject teacher for Business Communication and Management for BCom 3rd Sem. Today we are going to start the new topic of our unit, and that is placement vouchers and emails. Before this we have seen these comes under the types of business communication. We have seen company manuals and also we have gone through with house journals. Now this is the another types. This is placement voucher and emails. You all are very much aware about the emails, but the brochures also. But that is a placement voucher. We need to see specifically the placement vouchers. Now the brochure means it is a small book or informative catalog which contains information regarding that particular topic. That is what is brochure. Now placement brochure especially it contains the information regarding the HR policy. HR policy means the human resource policy of that company, and that HR policy contains the information regarding manpower working in the organization, then recruitments, interviews, selection procedure, retirement, transfer, trainings, etc. about that particular company. This is what is placement brochure. Again we will repeat what is placement brochure. The information regarding the human resource department, that is the detailed information regarding manpower planning, recruitments, interviews, selections, appointments, transfer, training, promotion, retirement, etc. See exactly what do you mean by placement? Placement means the persons who are supposed to join or who are going to take place in that organizations, means the new persons, the new appointed person who is getting placed in that organization, that is placement brochure. So in that specific brochure, what information will be included? Obviously the information regarding the manpower, means the staff or the people or the subordinates working in that organizations, all the levels of management, top, middle and level, the persons who are working in that organization, that is also the part of that placement brochures. Along with that, recruitments, interviews, selection procedure, then transfer of the employees, training which has to be given to the employees after regular intervals, then the promotions policy, retirement policy, etc. Every details regarding that department, regarding these resources are given in placement brochure. So what is placement brochure? Placement brochure is a small book or it is a small manual which contains the information regarding the placement of that organization. The human resources, the persons who are appointed, who are recruited, who are currently working in that organizations, all the information related to that topic is included in that placement brochure. Now we will see in short what is the importance of placement brochure. See, when the company is at initial stage, okay, it means they have started their new business. The requirement of the employees at that time and the company who is progressed or with the growth and expansion of the company, the requirement of the persons, the requirement of the employees is obviously going to increase. It means the need of the manpower, the persons who are supposed to be appointed in the organization, obviously at the time of opening of the company and after the growth, expansion and development of the company, the numbers or the persons required in that organization are obviously more than the present. It means the company which has started from today and after 1 year, the requirement of the persons, the requirement of the employees will be different. Obviously they need more persons, more employees, more subordinates, more workers to join in that organization. So in that case, placement brochure helps a lot. So what is the importance? With the progress and development of the enterprise, manpower, staff needs to be increased. So when there is a need of more employees, with the expansion and the growth and the development of the company, the need of the manpower is more. In that case, it helps to whom? To the top level management, to the persons who are in that department, that is specifically human resource HR department. They get the complete information regarding the requirement of the company in that placement brochure. So with the progress and development of the enterprise, manpower public staff needs to be increased. That is one of the importance. Second, we will see the expansion and the growth of the company, new branches opening or new office which is opened in another place, in another state. In that case, the need of the manpower is more. Why not? Because they are growing. The company is growing. The company is expanding, and in that case, they are opening their another offices, new branches at different places, maybe in the same place, maybe in the same location, maybe in the same state, but at the same time, if the new branches are going to open in another state, in that case also the requirement of the manpower, requirement of the employees is more, and the placement vouchers helps in that case. So third is placement problems arises due to transfers, promotion, retirement, etc. So in that case, placement vouchers plays an important role. Placement problems, okay, when the placement problem arises, it arises due to the transfer of the employees to the another branch, due to the promotion of the company to the other place, or due to the retirement. When the place get vacant in the organization, in this case, the transfer, promotion or retirement. When there is a post vacant in an organization, in any business unit, it is due to transfer to somewhere, to some other branch, due to promotion of that employee into the other branch, or due to the retirement. So in that case, placement vouchers help. So importance of the placement voucher is more in this case. Then what is the last point? It avoids overload of the work. Obviously, when there is a requirement, when the 5 persons of a 5-person job is done by 1 person only, it means he is getting exhausted due to the work. In that case, he needs some helping hand. So the placement vouchers helps to him, so that if 2 more employees joins him, so what happens in that case? The workload of that employee will get reduced, and he can work in a more healthy environment, so that he can give more to his works. He will increase his so it avoids overload of the work, and it helpful in new appointments, etc. Also, it means placement vouchers also helpful in the new appointments also. So these are the points we can say, this advantages or importance of placement vouchers. Now we will come to the emails. That is the another type. This one is the third type, placement vouchers, and then it is email. Before this, what we have seen? Company manuals. Why I am repeating all? Because I know you are not going to remember these topics. Company manuals, and then we have seen house journals. These are the different types of business communication. So these two we have completed, and now we have seen placement vouchers. Now we are coming to the email. What is email? It is a electronics mail. You all know that due to this corona, due to this virus, this pandemic, they have taught you to more get convenient or to more get used to with this electronics media. Okay, so email is a electronics media which is electronics mail, which is known as email. The short form of electronic mail is email. Now how email is sent, how email is received, you all are aware. The information, the message, the communication which is passed on with the help of mail. The mail is nothing but it is a matter, it is a kind of letter which is sent to the other, the sender and the receiver. The 2 persons are involved in this type of communication. But electronics mail. So what are the main advantages of this? First of all, it saves time. 100% it saves time. How it saves time? Because you just need the availability of internet. With the help of internet, the emails are sent. That is why it is called electronics media or electronics mail. It saves time. Now how it saves time? In earlier times, in the absence of electronics mail, the people or the correspondence takes place with the help of sending the letters via post or via courier. Okay, so it takes time. Okay, but in case of email, it saves time. What it saves? It saves time. The message or the information is sent to the person within a very stipulated or a limited time. So it saves time from the sender end, from the receiver end. So the main advantage of email is it saves time. It reduces cost. The money which is to be spent on postal matters, the money which is to be sent on courier charges, that are saved. That is why it is said it reduces cost. Third is accuracy. Accuracy is one type of the advantage. We can say that the message which is sent, it is short and simple. Okay, the message which the information which is passed on is accurate to be said in email. Now it's spread, speed and easy to operate. The speed, obviously you send email immediately within 10 to 15 minutes, the another person receives that message, receives that email, so that again he can give a feedback or a reply to that mail or to that content, to that information which is sent to him by sender. So speed and easy to operate. Once you know how to handle the emails, once you are familiar with this social media and with this electronic mails or electronic media, then it is easy for you to get in touch with this all emails and other, many of the times you are sending your PPTs, your other presentations also with the help of emails. It means what? You know how to operate the mail, that is electronic mail, that is known as email. So the advantages of email, it saves time, it reduces cost, accuracy, it has got a good speed and it is easy to operate. Even now, due to this, the school boys and school students, they are also able to operate this electronics media. They are operating emails, they are sending their exams, they are sending their tests also with the help of emails and all. So these are the advantages of email. So placement voucher and email. We have almost completed our unit 2 now, but before that, in the next session we will just go through what we have covered in unit 2 and then we will proceed for unit 3. But by the time, you have to remember that these placement voucher, emails, company manuals, house journals, how they are important from the business communication point of view. What is the importance of company manuals? Why there is a need of house journals? Then the need of placement vouchers. At the same time, email. So these are all the different types for business communication, and the importance of this business, types of business communication, these brochures, manuals, journals, emails is very much important from the business point of view, because in case of email we can say that it saves time, it reduces cost, it is accurate, the speed and it is easy to operate. So there are the certain advantages which are applicable to all these types of communication. House journals, company manuals, placement voucher, emails, because it gives you the complete information at a glance, which saves the time, at the same time it gives the complete information. Now I hope we have covered almost all the points related to unit 2. Here onward we will start our unit 3. By the time, stay safe, start studying. Thank you.